Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So carrying on with blinging up the Flysky controllers, we've got some aluminium triggers sent over by the guys at Sky, and these will fit the NB4 Plus, the NB4 Pro and the NB4 Pro Plus. Now these little triggers have got the locating pins on, which means they won't fit the original NB4 unless you grind that little pin off. If you grind that little locating pin off, you can use these on NB4 original radio, or you can order a new throttle mechanism and you can swap that out and that'd let you use these. But yeah, wouldn't take much to grind that off if you wanted to, but I'll bring you in for a close-up look and show you how these things fit. So first off, we'll show you on the NB4 Pro Plus, and this one's got the fantastic carbon effect skin on from Sky. So you're going to need a 1.5mm driver. As you undo this, you've got a tiny little nut in the back, so just make sure you don't lose that nut as you take this out. And if you just hold it slightly to one side, you should be able to remove this. And you just remove the trigger itself. On this one, I'm going to fit the black one because this radio is all sort of black and dark purple now. I just think it'll look better. So you've just got to work that screw back in and then keep your finger on the nut at the back, and then we've got a nice anodized trigger. Rather than the grey, we've gone black, and you can see the tiny little fin on the top that locates it. On the original NB4, the trigger was only adjustable, so you would have to grind that off because there's no slot in the actual mechanism. But if you just ground that off, you would be able to fit it on the standard NB4. So that is fitted on the NB4 Pro Plus. And then if we look at the original Pro, so on this one we've got the original grey or silver, and if we just undo it again, and again keep your finger on the little nut in the back, and we just take that off. And then we just slide this into place. You'll feel it as it drops in. Then you just need to get the screw back in and just make sure the nut doesn't come out of the back. And then we got a nice blue anodized trigger on the NB4 Pro. Nice black anodized one on the NB4 Pro Plus. And it's exactly the same procedure. If you wanted to fit it on the NB4 Plus, you can undo it and it'll come out. And if we quickly grab the original NB4, and I'll show you the difference on this. So if we undo the trigger, they were a little bit fiddly to get out on these. But if you just put a tiny bit of pressure on the trigger so you can bend it down, you can get it off. And I don't want the nut to fall out at the back. So if we look at the trigger design, you can see it doesn't have the little micro fin on the top to locate, which means it is fully adjustable. But to get one of these with the fin, you'd have to grind the fin off to make it nice and smooth, and then you would be able to use it on the original NB4. And these are just a little bit more fiddly to fit, but they are fully adjustable. They don't lock into position. But yeah, you would be able to make it fit on the stock NB4, but as I say, you just have to grind that fin off. But there we have two really nice anodised triggers, and they do fit on the NB4 Pro, the NB4 Pro Plus, and the NB4 Plus. You can fit this with no issues at all. All three of the radios do have the locating pin for it. It's just the original NB4 that doesn't, unless you upgrade the actual trigger itself to one that's in the NB4 Plus, or you file that little sort of locating fin off and then you can use it. But as I said, big shout out to Sky. Their Mechaners radios look a little bit bling. The skin kit on the NB4 Pro, NB4 Plus, I will get the naming conventions right on these, and the protector is all from Sky. And then we've got our skin pack on the Pro Plus, and the trigger again from Sky, and then as trigger on his NB4 Pro, and that is Sky, nice blue anodised. So there you have it, ways to fit it on all of the transmitters. Entirely up to you if you want to grind the fin off or swap the trigger mechanism in the NB4 original. But yeah, nice that they've done these to fit them all. And as I say, you just need to grind the fin off if you want it on the original NB4. But let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, the Sky anodised triggers on the NB4 Pro Plus and the NB4 Pro. We're getting far too many of these names now, but they are really comfortable. They do fit exactly the same as the stock ones, and if you really wanted to put it on an original NB4, you just grind the little fin off. Just use a little Dremel tool or a little file. It's only aluminium, so it wouldn't be too difficult. But yeah, just adds that sort of personalisation to it, and they are a nice feeling trigger. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.